In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a specific message on an iPhone. So if you want to reply to a specific message and not to all of the messages, here's what you need to do. You need to open up your Messages app and you need to find that message you want to reply to. You need to long hold on that message and click on the first option, reply, and say whatever. And as you can see, I have directly replied to this message. And if I click on the message, I can see the entire conversation. Let's say if I want to say something else, just click on that and add new message 1. And then let's say I want to start a thread with this one. Then I go yes 1. And now I see all of these like threads, which is pretty cool. You can just click on it and say message 2, for example. And if you want to click on it again, you can see all of conversations in one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.